Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The topic is vector addition, and we are going to look at force first. What is force? Force, as we know, that it has magnitude and direction. Magnitude is shown by the length of the arrow, and direction is the angle of the force from horizontal or from vertical line. And then look at the example here. Okay, this is the force, one force we have here, 2 Newton. Okay, and look at the scale here. 1 centimeter is representing 2 Newton of force. So that's why we have the length is 1 centimeter. And then we have another force here that is 4 Newton. So we have the scale. So the length here is 2 centimeter. And this is about magnitude. What about direction or the angle? Or we can see that this force is towards east, or can also it is horizontal to the right. You can also see that way. And then we have another force, but this one is not east. You could look at the angle here. It is 20 degrees from east. And then the length here is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter according to this scale, 1 centimeter is 2 Newton. So 2.5 centimeter means that the magnitude of the force is 5 Newton. Okay, this is about force itself. Now we're going to look at the next thing here. Now we are going to talk about vector addition. You have one object here, and then the object is pulled to the right with a force of 2 Newton, and to the left 5 Newton. So we want to know where the object will move. So by applying vector addition, 5 minus 2, you get 3 Newton. So this is the 3 Newton. So this object will move to the left with the magnitude of force is 3 Newton. So this one is equivalent to this one. Okay, the next thing we will look at is this situation. You notice that this is horizontal. Both of the forces are in horizontal line. But what about this one? This one is horizontal and this one is vertical. So according to our sense, of course the object will move somewhere around here. But we want to know exactly where does it go. So look at the force here. Okay. Let me use another color of the pen. Okay, this is 30 Newton. As we know that force is a vector quantity, so it has magnitude and direction. So you cannot change the direction and also the magnitude. So 30 Newton here, actually you can move this force to here because you want to create a triangle. So you can draw another line here, another line like this, okay, equivalent to this one. So this is also 30 Newton. Remember, as I told you, you don't change the direction, you just move the force, and the magnitude of the force is still the same, 30 Newton. And then what you need to do next is join the lines here. Okay, this is the resultant force. Okay, this one is known as resultant force. So how do you know what is the magnitude and direction? Okay. Remember this, the angle here is 90 degrees. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem. 30 Newton squared plus 40 Newton squared equals, okay, you need to calculate this one yourself, x. So x is x squared. So x squared is equal to square root, sorry, 30 Newton squared plus 40 Newton squared. So X is equal to 30 Newton squared plus 40 Newton squared. And then you square root all of them, you get 40, sorry, you get 50. You just need to use your calculator. So the magnitude of resultant force is 50 Newton. So what about the angle here? So you can apply, okay, this is theta. So tangent theta equal to 30 Newton over 40 Newton. So theta is this one, 30 Newton over 40. So you can use your calculator to get the answer. Okay, that's all for now.